English and Mandarin continued. Yes.
对，
No.
不，
I need help.
帮我，
I am thirsty.
我口渴了，
I am hungry.
我饿了。
Where is the bathroom?
洗手间在哪？
One more time. Yes.
对，
No.
不，
I need help.
帮我，
I am thirsty.
我口渴了，
I am hungry.
我饿了。
Where is the bathroom?
洗手间在哪？
And with some urgency on that last request, where's the bathroom?
洗手间在哪？
Very good. Thank you, Mr. Huang. That's awesome. I met Huang as he was a student in one of my classes at Central High School about 10 years ago, and he's been my friend ever since. I am happy to have you in my life, Brother Huang.
Thank you, Dr. Barnes. It's also a pleasure of mine to be able to know you. And I'm always happy to share what I know about Mandarin.
Excellent. Thank you so much. Good times together and be well.
Thank you, Dr. Barnes.
Yes,
You
sir.
too.